We have light at the end of the clear.
Hey guys, we are at the Fox Theater Fullerton. Victoria, you call this the basement room? That wouldn't be or furnace room?
Furnace room.
Furnace, yeah.
Utility furnace.
There's Jerry, Claire, Marcus. You can see him over there. Ouija board's about to happen. Victoria, you're going to run this thing. You are the psychic, so you know what's up with this thing, basically.
Right. So we'll do the Ouija board and see what spirits we can contact tonight.
All right, there it is.
Go.
We should do a little
Wish us
prayer
luck.
of some sort.
Yeah, we'll do a prayer for it.
Okay.
Yeah, prayer is a great idea. I'm not hating that.
Yeah,
Like you
a
said,
big strong prayer, keeping evil spirits
yeah,
out.
absolutely. Because we know the movie coming out is true.
Yeah.
The Ouija board will bring things from other...
Who knows? All right.
I saw it moving. Oh, that was my finger.
All right.
Okay.
You know, you can
I
actually get
don't
one for your
have any-
keychain,
I don't
too.
have any problems with Ouija boards.
I do.
I
Okay.
think it's just, I think so many people put a lot of stuff in, but there are a lot of horror stories, so that is true. So
Well, we just said,
we'll
like-
protect us,
Yeah.
and we'll be good.
And only allow the positive energies inhabiting this building or want to come through this board to allow to come through. And our spirit guides will keep out any negative energy. So we're here to communicate.
Yeah.
Who's here? Hey, hey, Sean, how much time do we have till we go on?
Oh,
What's that?
it just shot out.
Guys, you guys hear that noise?
Yeah.
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 You hear that?
What was that?
Yeah.
You guys all heard
Something
that?
banged back over
Somebody
there,
banged.
yeah.
Something banged back here.
Is that you, Sarah?
Oh, great.
I don't think
Just
You guys
as I
all heard
said.
that, right?
Yeah.
Everybody
Yeah, I
said
heard
that.
that. Yeah. Did
Sarah,
you get
is that
on
you?
camera?
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Hello?
That was like right in here.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
We heard something similar in the basement.
Protect. Surround us.
Hello?
Okay.
It sounded like somebody ran like a pole on the wall.
That was strange. You go on?
Oh,
What's that?
it just shot out.
Guys, you guys hear that noise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
We heard something similar in the basement.
Protect. Surround us.
Hello?
Okay.
It sounded like somebody ran like a pole on the wall.
That was strange.